Amazon FBA, drop shipping. Not in this episode. We're going to talk about how to sell on Amazon and make some serious cash without selling a single product of your own. So, Amazon FBA and dropshipping were probably the most trending fads for marketing, online marketing, in 2018. But I have some bad news. They're fucking dead. You can look in the suggested video as to why they're dead, if you really give a shit. Or you can just keep listening to learn how you can sell some serious product without actually selling anything of your own. The idea behind selling on Amazon without selling is that you utilize the Amazon Associates program, which is, for lack of a better word, affiliate marketing, but with Amazon, the largest e-commerce website in the fucking world. You take your affiliate link, you make sure people click on it, and bam, you get a commission. It's as simple as that. You don't have to create any products. You don't have to send products to fulfillment centers to be shipped by Amazon. You don't have to worry about marketing on Amazon. You don't have to worry about any of this bullshit that everybody else worries about. But, Aaron, you might ask, what the hell do I sell? Easy. Anything. There are billions of products on Amazon. There are billions of products that are worthwhile, inexpensive, and expensive, that people want, that people are looking for information about. The idea is that you research a product thoroughly, you provide a shitty PowerPoint presentation, or a demonstration of a product you own, and you fulfill any information needs that someone might need that's preventing them from buying that product. You need to help people feel trust when you need to help them feel trust when you provide that information. So, don't just pick up any old random shit brand of TV and go, oh, this is beautiful, you should buy it. No one's going to buy that shit. Think about it. How much do you trust a review that says, yeah, this is great, buy it? Boop, 5 seconds. You don't. What you need to do is show them, illustrate the product so they can basically feel what it would be like to use that product, and then show them the features, show them the ways that it would make their lives easier, answer questions they might have. That's the closing portion. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And then you just make sure they click on your link and bam, you get money. It's fucking easy. So, what I want you guys to do is to go sign up for the Amazon Associates program. I don't have a referral link, and frankly, even if I did, I probably wouldn't give enough shit to put it in this video. I want you to go sign up for it. Look on Amazon for some products and find something to promote. Now, I do have a word of warning. Amazon has a, I don't want to say difficult, but challenging TOS, and YouTube has a community guidelines. So, let's put it this way. This is YouTube. This is Amazon. You want to connect the two, right? The idea is you put an intermediate property, such as a website, a Wix.com page, a Blogger blog page, whatever, in between YouTube and Amazon. So people will look at your Amazon video. You'll say, oh, by the way, if you want to find more information, check out my post down here. They'll go to the post, and they'll go, oh, look, more information. And it can be the same fucking shit you talked about. People don't listen the first time. They always want to hear the same thing over and over again until it clicks. They'll read your information. They'll go down, they'll click the Amazon, and you'll get the tracking cookie for your referral ID, basically. So you'll get a percent of not just the item you suggested, but any sale, so long as it is before someone else gets the cookie set. If that makes any sense. But if you want to make some serious money on Amazon without actually selling anything that you've created, bought, or shipped to the Amazon fulfillment centers, take part in this wonderful time on YouTube to promote some products that actually kind of rock. Peace. Alright guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And if you're interested in any number of opportunities that will allow you to make money online, visit my website at retail2riches.club, listed below somewhere, or up there, I don't know. And sign up for my email list. I'm going to be giving free content away to my subscribers, and only my subscribers, that I don't publish on this YouTube channel. And you are going to love it. Your wallet's going to love it, you're going to love it, and it might change how you do business online. Thank you.